Luxembourg. Yes, our official vacation.
Luxembourg. Greeks. Luxembourg. US is behind. The more east of the international league you are, the more ahead you are. It's literally 10 o'clock and it's still very light. And everywhere is so aesthetically pleasing. Everywhere is so nice and picturesque. Thank you, Miss Sparrow. It's so bright and picturesque everywhere. Aesthetics everywhere. How do you think of Luxembourg?
Oh, it's still 10 o'clock in p.m.
And it's like 6 p.m. for us. It literally looks like 6 p.m. Wow. So this is our humble room in the hostel. There's literally 2 rooms. Bathroom, another room here. And it's only like, how many? $50? $70. So I would call that a snag. That's the biggest bang for your buck right there. It's really, really good. And cheap too, and nice and clean. Yay. We can't figure out the AC. We're having a hard time ordering because everything's in French. We don't know French. So I know it's French, but I would rather take Spanish. Merci.
Merci. Anything else? Lemonade? You want lemonade?
Limonade?
Limonade Sprite.
Sprite? No.
Ou la limonade Fanta.
Fanta? No.
Pas de Fanta, pas limon. Voilà, ok.
Merci.
Pas bien ça.
Oh, Sprite.
Combien de jours là? Une, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Aujourd'hui, demain, parti.
Yeah. Oui.
Ça c'est Chine, Luxembourg, Phosphore. Demi. Yao Yushi.
Yao Yushi. Because I make 2 years the evening school. Now the region, yes, little, because I go in.
This was the bomb. This is the bomb.
3 or 4 days London. London, yeah. The service is amazing.
Thank you.
amaze balls. Awesome sauce. Look at that.
Wow.
It's a little village called Useldange.
Can we live here?
Yes.
Like here. So peaceful. Hi, good morning.
Morning guys, this is vlog 3. Wait, vlog 4.
Yeah.
Pictures
So it's amazing place. Or
We just left the town of Useldange, and now we're going to the city to take more pictures,
and explore.
And we're gonna go to Belgium after
Later.
after the city. And yeah, it's gonna be a new place.
We love this place.
It's very peaceful, laid back.
Friendly,
Yep.
and amazing service.
Yeah. The food is there is great. I love the cheese. The cheese was the best part of the meal for me. What about you?
Yeah, the bread.
Yeah, the bread.
And how they cook the egg.
Yeah, the freshly squeezed orange juice.
Amazing service.
She was so kind.
Yeah, they waited for us. They did not clean, right? Or
Yeah.
yeah, okay. Later,
See you
guys.
soon. But that was. Where are we? Where are we, guys?
We're back the Casamates in Luxembourg City.
That's their castle.
This is the castle. It's apparently one of the very historical castle in Luxembourg. Right there. This is we're at the bottom. We're going up, and yeah, magical place.
Cool. Magical Luxembourg. Yay.
Oh, that's my word, magic. Expose na ka. Expose na ito. Ako bilang next.
That church.
Hi guys.
So that was a church we went to. It's a
Catholic Church.
Catholic Luxembourg from Luxembourg church. It was an awesome experience, and then my mom got to wish something.
No, that's the wish.
Yeah, wish.
Huh?
And then we're just exploring their downtown.
Yeah. Oh.
Just experiencing the downtown area, right?
Oh, can we check this out here?
Merci beaucoup. Bonjour.
Nandito kami, wala tayo.
How's the brownie? How's the brownie?
Hey guys, we just finished eating from Chocolate Cafe, the famous here.
And stuff.
I'm sleepy now.
Me too. We're gonna go to Belgium soon.
Later.
Yeah. And we're gonna go sleep again. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. One, two, three.
Hi, we're here in the casement. This is it called?
The casement.
The casement. So we're almost done here in Luxembourg, and then we're heading to Belgium later.
Yes.
What's wrong, Tuya? Okay. All right. Later, guys.
Later, guys. Later, guys. How is it?
Shelter man siya, Choy.
This is a shelter? This is like their museum. This is their underground. We're in the caves. Caves of Luxembourg. A cave, Greenwolf's house. Yes. Okay. Bonjour from the Netherlands / Belgium. We're like in the border right now. We just arrived to our hotel. And I'm exhausted as always. Backpacking is so tiring, but we finally made it. And I think we're going to go somewhere today, but I don't know. I'm so stuffed because we had the chocolate thing and I'm like so like full and I just want to sleep right now. But it was like an hour 45-minute drive to get here, and thank Lord we got here safely. Hi guys.
We're going to eat. Look at my face, so round. Going to eat our dinner and then sleep and then wake up again.
Yeah, we're in Netherlands right now. In the border.
Border
Like
of
I said.
Belgium. So we're gonna explore it tomorrow. This Suya has a niik. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Not first. Okay. Knee pain. Okay. Bye. Later.
Leave.
Savory restaurant. Where's that savory restaurant, Langga? Ang namin mo.
Dili siya domingo sa kayo.
That one, that's the
we just ate. And then, where are we going? What place is this?
This is Maastricht. And we're going to this town and explore. It's already almost 9 o'clock.
But still,
And you can see there's still light.
A lot of light.
And it's a beautiful town. Beautiful.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Later.
Okay.
Later, guys.
Later.
Bye.
We just ate too, diba?
Yeah.
We ate a nice dinner in Zipan.
That one.
That one.
Asian fusion.
Yeah, my mom and I had bibimbaps, and it was great. I recommend it. Okay. Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Look at their cinema. It's literally 9 o'clock and it's literally not even sunset yet. It's so quaint. Very quaint place. Yep. Look at our great view from our hotel. Look at this. Wow.
Hi, guys.
Are we gonna go to sleep?
Sleep and to recharge for tomorrow's 300
It's a long day.
300 steps, 350 steps.
We're gonna get some shut-eye and some sleep. We're gonna hit the hay.
Hey now, hey now.
This is a tree. So
Cho,
we're gonna hit the hay.
salamat, Cho.
This is the end of this vlog. Have fun. Bye.
Peace
Peace.
out.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Nak,